Why does your scanner show the P2628 engine code? What does it mean? P2628 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02, sensor pumping current trim circuit, high bank 1 sensor 1. The P2628 engine code indicates ECM or PCM has detected a voltage or current signal from the upstream oxygen sensor that is higher than the normal expected operating range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring, corroded connectors, blown fuses, exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Kia, and Hyundai. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.